Alright guys, we are on the Amish territory right now. This is the Amish land, Grabill, Indiana. Look at that. That's how the Amish live. They're rich. We're not gonna get out because they might put a kibosh on us. Not on you guys, but on me. Look at all the fields owned by them. Alright, let's go on the other side. All the way out there are out here. Okay. Look at that. We're on the Amish territory. Grabill, Indiana. Ooh, the wind is like oh man. Look at that. That's how they live. All the way out. Dog's trying to look at that. They don't use electricity. Use, propane for heating, I think. Oh, we're on an Amish land. They got their June buggy, little buggy, horse buggy. Like in India or in the Southeast Asia, they call that rickshaw down there. Look at that. Oh, it's for sale too. Nice place. Out there. Just wanna give you a tour. Ako mong kung ano sa ang Amish dere, muna ilahang mga balay dere, mga dato ning Amish. They're rich, man. Mamayaman yung ang mga Amish eh. Oh. Share ko lang sa mga Bisaya na akong mga amigo ang unsay life dere sa Amish. Uy. Okay, now I want to show you this. I think this is a cemetery. This is their cemetery here. I think so. Okay, I think this is a cemetery right there, man. Look at that. I think that's a cemetery. I have no idea, but I think that's a cemetery. Oh man. That's not good here. Look at that. That's their cemetery. Yeah, I think so. Oh man. I'm gonna get out. They are rich, man. Amish are real rich. That's how they are. This is the Amish territory. Right now I am just driving. Just driving. Right there, Grabill. Just driving. We're heading downtown. The horses. That's how they live, man. Really very rich. They're rich. Alright, let's go downtown. All the way out there, Amish homes. Alright. We're entering the Amish or Grabill now, downtown Grabill. It's a small town, but rich. Rich small town. Okay, let's look. That's where, coming from New York and heading to Indiana, Fort Wayne, Indiana, to Waterloo. That's the Grabill Country Shop Mall. That's the town. Alright. Alright, nice. Nice mall. Nice, look at that. That's also nice. They have some nice building here. Oh, another June buggy. Alright guys, see you in the next video, okay? Thanks for subscribing. I'm gonna park right here at the back. I'm gonna go inside the mall, see what's going on. Grabill, Indiana. We're gonna 1902. Nice. Look at that. Nice. These are rustic building, old building, but nice. Let's get out of here. Nice. Alright, see you in the next video.